Greetings, you little butt panda. Welcome to another episode of I Suck at Drawing, but I'm going to teach you how to not suck. Does that make any sense? No, it doesn't, but nothing in this world makes any sense. Why are we humans? Why aren't we mushrooms or something? I don't know. I have a cheat code for you. It's SSBSB, how to draw legs. Just plug in that cheat code, easy legs. I'll show you. It's got a side view, front view, three-quarter view. Oh my gosh, it's so easy. It's so easy, it's stupid. We need to spread this knowledge to the world. First of all, who needs all these fancy art supplies? Prismacolor? You know, Prismacolor, more like good art supplies that everyone should have. Toss it to the side, we're gonna use this IKEA pencil. Second, you're gonna need a really nice sketchbook, and then put a piece of cardboard on top of that. Now, if anybody complains about not having good art supplies, that's still normal. I love art supplies, man. Oh, I hate this IKEA pencil already. Whatever, this is for you. Cool, for each one of these, we're gonna make a line going straight up. And we'll mark the top and the bottom and then the halfway point. Actually, wait, I need to erase something. I need room for the foot because this line does not include the foot. Look at that beautiful line. It's so bad. We're just gonna do that again. Right here, to the side. Oh, I can't even draw a straight line. Oh man, you know this is gonna be a good tutorial when the person who's teaching you something can't even draw a straight line. Okay, so with this one, you keep this line and then you come out at this little bumpy thingy. I mean, not the bumpy thingy, the halfway mark. Come out right there. So this is kind of like an S. It'll come out here for the foot. You got a little triangle foot right there. Cool, great. Then you come out here for the calf. Give a little spacey for the back of the knee. And then come out for the back of the leg. Wow, what just happened? Well, I'll show you. Okay, we'll make a little bumpy for the knee right there. And then we'll kind of redefine these lines right here so that it kind of looks like an actual leg and not just some squigglies. Wow, this cardboard is very bumpy, but that's okay, right? We don't care about good art supplies, do we? Who needs paper when you got scrap cardboard, right? Come down here, you got your little ankle-y bone. Just do like a little triangle-y dot thing right there. And then do like a little triangle-y shadow right there. And boom, you're done with the leg. That's really all there is to it. But the other thing that I want you to notice is that there's this S right here. So this has like an S shape, and this has sort of an S shape as well. Man, do you hear that cardboard? It's like it's begging to be put out of its mercy. I mean, out of its misery, out of its mercy. What? So this is your SS. There you go. I can't even draw a circle, but I can draw a leg. Next is the front view, so we'll do about that same line. Start there, go about there. Can I do a straight line this time? No, I can't. All right, and about there is halfway, right? Cool, great, nice, good job, Andrew. I can't do the easy things, but I can do things like drawing legs. Don't ask me why, this is how my stupid brain works. This next one is gonna be very cool. So you're gonna keep this line right here. Pretty much just a straight line up and down. And then you're going to give like a little space for the the knee. Come out to the side in a very beautiful, nice, yummy curve. And then you give a little space for the ankle right here. And then some calf muscle. Oh yeah, give her a chicken leg. I say her because I'm doing gentle curves. These look more like women's legs. But you can beef them up to make them look like man's legs too. Okay, and then with this one, this is the front view. So we're going to draw a triangle that's almost in the middle, but it's going to be slightly toward the inside. Actually, wait, that's a little bit too high. Okay, maybe it doesn't start exactly at that halfway mark. Does that look good? No. It needs to be a little lower. Okay, cool. We know that now. Why are you teaching things if you don't know? Maybe a little tiny bump right there. That's pretty much it. It's pretty much a straight line, and then you give like a little triangle-y foot thing. Cool, that's great. And then you got to feel your own ankle and then see which one of these bones goes lower and which one goes higher. So we'll do this one lower and that one higher. Great, now you know how to draw a front leg. But you'll notice this one goes up and down, and this one has a curve like that. So this is going to be our B. Great. Now that we know that. But how do you do in between those two? Three-quarter view. Well, I'll show you. That's why you're on this stupid video. Okay, so we're going to start with that straight line. Yes! Okay, that was pretty good. Come on. I can pretty much draw a straight line now. Wow, this tutorial works. Okay, so we got that set up, right? Now, this one is going to be combining the S and the B. So it's not an SS, not a B, it's an SB. Well, just the right side of the B. Kind of straight on this side, and then it'll come out like that. I don't know, maybe a tiny little gap for the back of the knee, but we'll pretty much keep it just like this. And then we'll do, maybe give a little indication of the bum. Okay, so it's kind of an S, kind of like a B shape. And then for the foot's, how do I draw a foot and 3/4? That's pretty good. It's like a rhombozoid thing. Rhombozoid is not a shape. Don't listen to me. It's like if you take a square and then you move this part over that way so it becomes like that. You know what I mean? It's kind of like that. So then once you have those outside lines, you can make a little bumpy thing just like on this side, right? So you're basically taking this exact same side, copying it, pasting it over here. And then you can do this thing called line sculpting, kind of make some thickly lines, and then shape it into the one that you want. So like this one, I got a bunch of lines going on. I'm just going to erase where I don't want the lines, and I kind of erased too much, so I'm just going to go back and do that. Wonderful words of wisdom from your local YouTube idiot. But I thought you had a tutorial on how to draw feet. Well, I do, but it doesn't mean that I know how to draw them. Stupid. Cool, so then we'll just adjust that little triangle shape until it looks kind of okay. And voila, you got yourself a nice little leg. So now you have your S, and you got your B. Well, this one kind of sucks. Maybe we should make this look more like a B, with a little tiny little bump for the tushy. So then this one is SB. And that's how you plug in your cheat code, SSBSB, baby. I'm a gamer. Genius. Why is this so stupidly easy? I don't know. It just is. Why can I draw this but not a straight line? I don't know. Life has many mysteries, and this maybe just is one of them that will never be solved. But that's okay, because at least you know how to draw a stupid leg.